Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on this plus icon to create your alarm. Then set up an hour. When you finished, hit OK in the pop-up and click on days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Wednesdays and Fridays. You can also tap on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then hit OK. In order to select days of the week that you wish to exclude, tap on Pause Alarm. And I will choose, for example, 16th and 18th. Then hit OK to save your changes. Remember that your alarm will not ring in those days. Following that, you can tap on this little icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. And also on this one next to Google Assistant routine to add it or remove your alarm from it. Lastly, tap on this little bell. Now you can download one of those sources like Spotify by clicking on it. Log into one of your platforms like YouTube Music or Spotify to use your music from it, or click Sounds next to it at the top, select Add New, and pick music from your smartphone by clicking on the chosen song. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those, like Crap. Then go back. To hide all of those settings, select this little icon at the top right corner. As you can see, after all that, my alarm was successfully created. You can turn it off completely thanks to this switcher next to it, and turn it back on the same way. In order to access its options, click on the top right corner, manage them however you wish to, or delete your alarm by tapping on Delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!